Hello guys, this is Shu channel from Japan, and I'm in Kochi now, and Kochi is my hometown, and I stay with my family members to celebrate New Year. And in Japan we have this kind of ornament backside of me. I don't know why we do this kind of tradition, but yeah, we sometimes put this kind of object in front of our house. And yeah, Japan is winter, so it's so cold, but Kochi prefecture is located a little bit southern part in Japan, so it's more warmer than Okayama, where I live now. And it's about to no, so New Year is about to come, and I hope this pandemic will over soon and I can visit the Philippines again, because I love Philippines a lot. Especially winter season. I want to go to the Philippines because it's warm and I love warm weather. So this is why I love Philippines, and I miss overall Philippines, like Filipinos characteristics, and also yeah, beautiful beaches and beers as well. Yeah, I hope I can visit there soon. And I usually go to the Philippines on my business trip, but next time I want to put some of vacation time aside from my business trip, because when I first visited Cebu, it was amazingly beautiful than what I saw. What I thought. So I missed that moment, and I first time eat sea urchin directly from Bende. We don't have that kind of style in Japan, so eating sea urchin directly. So yeah, I want to do that again. Yeah, so yeah, I will take a video when New Year comes. Okay, see you on New Year. Bye bye.